guitar.
Hey, what's up everyone? Just want to thank everyone. About to hit 4,000 subscribers. By the time you're reading this, watching this, probably already have. And this is what we're going to do to celebrate. Got my man Junior cleaning up that stuff. We are replacing the ceiling. So yeah, we're still grinding out here, getting dirty. Have a good day, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Got anything you want to say, Junior? Nothing you want to say? Alright, we're just gonna get this done.
Yeah.
See you later, thanks.
Bye.
So this stuff is known as cool and cozy. Back maybe 10 years ago, and previously it was just pumped, blown into the roofs for insulation. It's made up of paper and it's really detrimental to your ceilings. It gets stuck in behind the joists, between the sheet and the joist, and it keeps more and more gets in there, and slowly it separates the ceiling sheets from the joist. And that, my friend, is not good.